Hazrat Abu Jamila narrates that I found a founding. When Hazrat Umar saw me, he said, he may not cause some problem. It was as if he were declaring me guilty of some offense. My supervisor said, he is a noble man. He said, if it is so, then take him and his expenses are on us. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu says, a man praised another man in the presence of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, woe to you, you have served the neck of your companion. He said it repeatedly, then said, if any one of you have to praise your brother, it should be said, I think he is so and so, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will take him to account, and I cannot make anyone flawless against Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. If he knows something about him, he should say, I think he is so and so. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2262.